On today's podcast, we'll be covering week 2 of 4 on heat stress, hydration, and working outdoors. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Summer heat in a warehouse or out in the yard can be absolutely brutal. You feel it the second you step out. Thick air, hot surfaces, sweat starting to almost instantly come out. And if you're lifting, moving, or if you're on your feet all day, it's even more than just uncomfortable. It can turn dangerous before you know it. And a strong safety culture means that we don't just react when something happens, we plan. And that's especially true with heat stress. The trick is staying ahead of it, hydrating, pacing yourself, and knowing when to slow down. And here's what helps most when the temperature climbs. Number 1, you want to keep water close and drink it. Not soda, not energy drinks, water. Take a few gulps every 15 or 20 minutes, even if you're not thirsty, because thirst is a late warning sign. Number 2, you want to step into shade or cooler areas whenever you can. Those short breaks, just a few minutes, are going to make a major difference. You're going to notice that your breathing slows down and your energy is going to return quicker. Number 3, you want to watch each other's backs. The buddy system works. If your partner looks pale, starts acting a little off, or seems extra tired, speak up. Please don't assume that they'll say something first. Number 4, you want to shift heavy work away from the hottest hours. So late mornings to mid-afternoon is when the sun is at its worst. So if there's a job that can be done earlier or later, reschedule it and your body will thank you. And last but certainly not least, number 5, build up to the heat. If you're coming back from vacation, if you're new to the crew, whatever the case may be, take it slow. Pushing full speed on day 1 is asking for trouble. Remember this. Heat-related illnesses don't tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, I'm coming. It can hit fast. Headaches, dizziness, muscle cramps. It's just that sort of thing. And then it's going to fight to cool down. And then you don't want to do that. You want to listen to your body. And if you feel drained or foggy, take a moment to rest and cool off. And if you see somebody struggling, get help. No job is worth pushing past the point of safety. The bottom line is this. You want to beat the heat before it beats you. Hydrate often, rest in the shade, look out for your crew, and do those things every hot day, and you're going to keep yourself and your team in the clear, or at least be on your way to doing so. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week, and most of all, stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips, and have a safe day.